Now, when most people do this project, they're like, oh, you see this card, the shell, it's like a cell wall. I'm not doing that. Instead of showing something and then comparing it to a cell, I'm gonna go inside of a cell. That was very anticlimactic, but hey, we're in the cell. Now first, we gotta get past this cell wall. I think I have something. Here it is. Found it. Now, we're gonna have to get past this cell membrane. Now, this one's actually alive. So, side note, organelles aren't alive. I hope you knew that already. We have to sneak past it. Can I come in? Oh, sure. The cell membrane controls what comes in and out of a cell. It's also used for structure. The cell membrane is kind of like a border guard. The cell wall was like the cell membrane, although it was more rigid. Now we get to the ribosomes. Now, the ribosomes are very important because they produce proteins, and proteins have many uses in the cell. Hey, are you new here? Yes. Here's some complementary proteins. Now we get to the chloroplasts. These guys turn light into energy, and they're also what makes the plant green. Ooh, that's cool. They are kind of like the solar panels of the cell. The Golgi bodies are the cell's packaging center. It packages proteins with other materials and sends off packages in or outside the cell. Wait, what do you drink? Hey, wait, no. Kind of like a FedEx. Did you realize I've been wearing a helmet? You probably did, but why? It's because of the cytoplasm. There's no air in here, but the cytoplasm keeps everything in place. That's why the screen has an orange tint. You know, it's kind of like concrete, but don't eat concrete. This is the mitochondria, and it breaks down food to produce energy. It's the powerhouse of the cell. And this is the vacuole. The vacuole is used for storage of water for plants, but in animal cells, it's for wasting energy, kind of like a water tower. The endoplasmic reticulum connects different parts of the cell together, kind of like a highway. Wait, where's my helmet? Now we get to the nucleus, the last thing on our list. It's kind of like a town hall, because it's the control center of the cell, and it contains and protects the DNA. Oi, I heard you're new here, so I'm gonna let you meet the DNA. The DNA is a genetic code. Stop it. The DNA is like a genetic code. It's kind of like blueprints. Oi, what have you done? Get them lysosomes! Wait, lysosomes aren't in plant cells.